Morning, how's everybody? We are here with a review of the US markets, US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, the markets are in a bit of a holding pattern after a bit of a choppy trade yesterday. The markets were weighed down by the AI trade. However, today the markets are looking towards the non farm payrolls report, which is going to be released in just over 2 hours from now. It's expected that the payroll numbers are going to be soft, and the market is going to interpret that in a bad news is good news scenario, in the sense that the weak numbers are going to increase the expectations for a rate cut. Already the markets are pricing in two rate cuts, but it seems that a third rate cut is also beginning to be priced in by the markets. So on the whole, markets are in a holding pattern. And I think with the non-farm payrolls report coming through, if the numbers are stronger than expected, the market will either have a short rally or have no move at all. If it is weaker than expected, then the market will initially have a dip but then have a strong rally. So I would imagine that my prediction is that the numbers are going to be equivocal, and we are not going to get a strong rally. Market is going to hold its current position. That's how I feel. Maybe an increase of about 0.1 to 0.2%, but not more than that. That is my prediction, but we will update you once the reports come through. But you do know that our predictions are always correct. Bitcoin is still holding around the 67,000 mark, not much movement there, trying to make a recovery, but not making much of a recovery at this point. Oil prices again holding, waiting for the Iran US dialogue to move forward. Some upward trends in there, following the remarks from Donald Trump that there is going to be a hard action if a deal is not made soon. Gold prices have climbed as a result of that geopolitical risk, and if there is any volatility in the markets, it will climb further. But I don't think there will be any volatility in the markets today. I don't expect any. So I think gold will hold unless there is any geopolitical deterioration in the Iran-US conflict. The euro is also holding against the US dollar, not expecting much there. But if the markets rally today, the US dollar will weaken and the euro will gain in strength as a result. So a lot happening and a lot hinging on the non-farm payrolls report, expected in exactly 2 hours from now. Once it comes through, we will update you. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and we will be back with further news after the non-farm payrolls report.